Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to save your iPhone battery and privacy by disabling significant locations tracking. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap directly on Privacy and Security. Tap directly on Location Services at the top of the menu layout. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the application index list and tap directly on System Services. Look through the system configurations, locate the row explicitly labeled Significant Locations, and tap on it. Authenticate using your Face ID, Touch ID, or Secure Device passcode to unlock the tracking log panel. Locate the primary configuration toggle switch explicitly labeled Significant Locations at the top of the display screen. Tap on the toggle switch right next to Significant Locations to turn it completely off. Confirm your choice by tapping Turn Off on the system warning prompt to completely stop the OS background framework from logging your frequent destination history. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.